But so far, people why they born up say why they to work there.
Oh, when they on a niche. Oh, when they 3 days. When they 5 days.
I got one so give back.
I got one so give up.
I say this is
7 days. Then 5 days.
7 days.
Oh, we need Hannah.
Never work. Why wait till you are Monday? For example. I'm not going to drive with a Melegan. Next week, next week, I was 7 days. I don't know what's going on. That guy is coming. That guy is looming. I don't know what's going on. They will go down at the end of the day. Also, they want to back this week. Don't know whether Naga. I don't know. Yes, no.
No,